Yeah, he's got a beard. Nice job, Dave. Yeah. Nice job, Dave. You better shoot him again. No? Yeah, you better shoot him again. You might want to shoot him, baby. Shoot him again, babe. Oh. Nice job. Is that a pure Merriam? Oh, baby.
Either way, he's pretty fucking close. Yeah, that's a pure.
I think we found our spot. What do you think? Give some love to the camera. I just got all that on tape.
I got a nice bird here. Nice bird.
There's still birds over there clucking around. Well, I think we found our spot. What do you think?
We just got a double. My baby's got a bird in the car.
We got 2. Sorry you had to die there, buddy.
I'm telling you what, the Winchester, he's dead. The Winchester,
Are we sure he's dead?
2 1/4 ounce, put the smoke
How
on
far
him.
was he?
I'm guessing,
I couldn't.
50.
I couldn't. Oh,
He
really?
was probably more like 60.
I couldn't see him. All I saw was your gun coming toward me, and I was like, oh boy. One flew up.
No, he, holy cow. He just hit the
Let me see this first.
That is a pure Merriam.
Oh, yeah, baby.
That is definitely pure.
Yep. Nice
That's
job.
about as pure as you're going to get anyway. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Look how white that is.
No, he's pure. Look at the tips.
Uh-huh.
Go straight to white.
Yep. You got it. I got my first turkey. You got your Merriam.
Did we just pull off a double?
We're a double.
Thank
We
God.
double team things.
Thank God I've got my Garmin on me.
There you go.
I don't know
Yeah, I don't know where we are either.
Yeah.
Well, that's all for this hunt. That was fun. Chadron, Nebraska, 2012, double turkey day. It's been a good day. Got us pure Merriam. I think we're all set for this turkey season. We'll come up again.
We'll
but
be back.
we'll come up
You've
again.
got 2
but
tags and I got
yeah.
1.
But I think we've
That was
we've
the
accomplished.
stock of all stocks.
Yeah. I don't know. Nope, they're done.
They're done.